Hey, what's going on, everybody? Here is the setup for cooking in the van. I'm gonna cook myself some steak. I got myself some stuff called here Montreal steak spice. Got myself some green beans. Here's the steak, a little cast iron skillet, and some mushrooms. And then for dinner, I got myself one of these little apple pies. But we're gonna cook in the van tonight. VanLife cookout for one, for Moy. I don't have a strainer, so we're just gonna use it like that. We're good. I'll pull her out with this. I'm not a chef. I'm not Gordon Ramsay, but I'm more or less looking forward to eating that right there. So let's fire this baby up and get cooking. Alrighty, got a little bit of that. More importantly, we're cooking with gas now, baby. Get that pan hot. Just make sure you don't grab the handle, because that hurts like a son of a bitch. And I'm gonna cook this baby up. Alrighty, she's done. Overdid it a little bit, but I'm gonna let that rest. And I'm gonna clean that pan out real quick before it dries. And it's a pain in the arseholio. Alrighty. Get the first bite. See what this baby tastes like. Looks pretty good. A little bit of blood. Not bad. Let that baby rest. It's not the most tender steak I've ever had, but look at that. So it can be done in a van. If you're expediting, try and stay away from fast food. I know it's hard and sometimes you can't do it, but you know, this whole dinner, I got 2 steaks. I think it was like 12 bucks. I don't know what it is. The green beans, I think they're like 50 cents. The mushrooms were like 50 cents for a can. And I think that apple pie was like 2 bucks or maybe $3 at the most. So for 6 bucks, 7, so say like $10, I'm getting what I want, and I cooked it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. I answer all comments, and we will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you later on. Bye-bye.